Hi everyone, my name is Premjit. I am the game designer at devlogs right now, and we are building a mobile shooter game. And let me introduce myself. I have 5+ years of experience in free-to-play mobile games. So Moksit is my colleague, and he'll introduce now. Hi Moksit.
Hi, hello, thank you. My full name is Mokshit Siudla, and currently I'm working as a game design intern at Battlebug. I don't have as much experience as Premjit here, but I'm trying to follow their footsteps.
Okay. It's time for us to work. So can you
Yeah.
explain a little bit about this work right now? What are we doing currently?
So basically, for the shooter game, we need buttons, right? We need the UI elements, we need the buttons. Like for example, let's say shoot button or jump button, but we can't directly put random buttons into it. We need references from good games, right? So we chose BGMI because BGMI is a mobile game, and at the same time it's also so popular that many people play it. So it's a good game to take a reference from. So this is one of the reference sheet which we have done. So basically what we have done is we have segregated all the buttons used in the team deathmatch of BGMI, and we have provided the description of the game button, image of the button, and at the same time we have provided the position of the button as well, so that it will be easier for the person who's making the buttons into the game understand it easily and understand how it works and why it works.
Yeah.
So if I'm not wrong, I think BGMI has like 39 buttons in total.
Okay. So
And then
let's go through one by one. So this is just for deathmatch, right?
yeah, this is just TDM.
This is just TDM buttons. So we have to break down every button on TDS, every UI elements on TDM match, so that we can have references when we create our TDM match wireframe. So as a game designer, we need to give wireframe to the UI UX team, then they'll implement it, then it will go to the developer side. So we need to make some decisions. So let's first go through it one by one, then we'll make decisions. So not at the button.
Crouch button, which will help the shoot button to shoot the weapon.
Okay,
Crouch button
I
to
think
crouch
we can do one thing. I'll just add one here, right? Just write default status. Right, this is default. Okay, crouch button also default. Prone button they have in default. Okay, vault button, is it default on the gameplay screen?
I don't understand the meaning of default. Like, what do you mean exactly?
Okay, default means when you enter the game, these are already placed in your gameplay screen, which you can interact. Not happening with any interaction. It will always stay in your screen.
The vault button is also default.
Okay.
At least in BGMI it is by default.
Can you do you have an image? Can you send me the image? We'll just check it here. And just tell me this default, right?
Vault button is default. Jump is also default.
Just mention button. I think when you broke it down, I think you mentioned all the default button first. Do you remember?
I think it is more prominently shown in the Figma file, because like in Figma when I was doing it, breaking it down, I did all the default buttons first, and then I did like whichever popped up later on.
Okay, but I think we can understand from the video, from the screenshot.
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay, what is this button? Peak button. Do you see peak button here?
Yeah, that is also default.
Okay, this is what sprint.
Your face cam is like in between. Yeah, that is also by default. Yeah.
Okay, I'll just move little up.
Sprint button is default. Mic is also default. Mic button.
This is sprint, right? So
yeah.
Okay, this is with the joystick. If you move up and lock it, it will sprint.
That is like a separate button. So if you click on that button, it will sprint. But if the character is already sprinting and if you click on that button, he'll start going in the normal speed.
And how do you activate this button? How do you turn it on? From settings?
Just by pressing on it. No, it's by default it's there.
Okay, cool. And where is joystick? You didn't mention joystick.
Okay, in the video, I think the joystick was hidden. That's why.
Joystick is like when you touch somewhere on the screen, on the half side of the screen, left side, I think. Yeah, then it will show you the UI.
Yeah, and if you touch it on the right side, you can control the angle where you're seeing, where you're watching, like the angle.
The camera angle?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you update that. You can update those things.
Okay.
Okay, settings buttons is also default. Map UI is also default. Scoreboard UI. Where is scoreboard UI? The
top one, yeah.
Okay, this is also goals and timer UI.
That is also default, yeah.
And where is the score? This one, the left one.
The point showing 2 and 2 in the screenshot.
Okay.
Blue and red,
got it. KD ratio UI. What did you see?
that is also default.
Where can you see that? Okay, on top.
Top left,
Yeah, kills UI. Yeah.
default again.
Okay, assist UI.
That is also default.
In-game name tag. Is this
That
you?
is also. Oh, no. The screen recording which I did, it was like extremely laggy, so I used another recording.
Okay, so in-game name tag UI. I don't
Yeah.
see. I don't see you. Where is your name?
This is another recording. This is not my this thing.
I'm just saying, is this your name, Terra Bow?
No. That's what I'm saying. This is like someone's recording which I'm using.
Okay, then in-game name tag UI you have added this. So
Yeah.
behind this there is a name.
That Terabao is a name. Yeah, that character's player's name.
That means you.
Yeah.
And where is the screen recorder name?
Screen recorded name?
Yeah. Okay, leave it. I got it. Helmet and armor UI. Where can you see that? Bottom right? Yes.
Bottom right, beside the health bar.
Okay, and health bar UI. Yes.
That is also default.
Okay, weapon slot UI.
That is like it will be empty if you don't have any guns, but when you pick up guns, it will like fill itself.
Got it.
Yes.
But there is an slot, right? The UI is already
Yeah.
here. Fire mode
Yeah.
indicator UI.
That is only available when you have a gun. Otherwise, it will be hidden initially.
Different gun is available. Pardon my spellings. Using too much Grammarly. Throwable swords. Yes.
Then throwable slot also same. It will be hidden.
I think some mistake. Helper. Default, right? Weapon is default. Is that default? Throwable slot UI is default right now. Damage. Active when hit. This is helper damage. Wow. Enemy highlights. What do you mean by having enemy highlights?
So like whenever the enemy comes in your screen, they usually have like a red or yellow outline on top of their body.
Okay.
To identify them. It's usually in BGMI it's red by default, but you can change the colors as well.
Okay.
In settings.
I understand. This is like when you play Call of Duty, they have this red light on their arms.
Yeah. Active on visible enemies.
Enemy tag. Active enemy tag highlight. What is this? Crosshair. This is default.
Yeah, default.
Okay. And what is kill field? Kill feed, right?
Yeah, active either on death or on elimination.
This for everyone. Who was like who kills who will just show in the
Yeah.
Chat button is default. Spectate.
Spectate is active on death.
Active on that. Damage record. We don't need this. What is this? What is this?
That is basically after you die, it will showcase how much damage you did to all the enemies, how much damage they did to you, like that.
Okay, active on that only.
Yeah.
This was
Close proximity one is active whenever you get close to obstacles. Instead of crosshair, that will pop up. It's just to showcase that you can't shoot.
active on non-shootable.
Yeah. Emote UI is again default.
What is the spelling of crosshair?
CROSSHAIR. Did I say it out too fast?
No, it's fine. What about this emote UI?
That is also by default. Yeah.
Why can you see that? I don't see.
It's beside the mic button.
Yeah. Got it. Okay. Scope is ADS, right? So this also must be default. Ping, yes, default. And achievement unlocked.
That is active whenever you unlock an achievement.
Okay. So now for PUBG it is done. What we'll do now? Once we are done, we'll just green mark whichever we need for our game. So we might have not do everything, but we'll just select whichever we required in current state.
Okay.
Right. I understand the game, you understand the game, so we'll just select it out from so that it will help you to make mockups.
Okay.
So first we'll lock out all the decisions. What are the UI elements or the feature or the elements we'll have in our game. Then we can start doing mockups.
Okay.
Right. Just send me the Valorant images.
Valorant, like there aren't too many elements which we might take from them because it's like ability-based game, right?
Yeah. So not same. But is there anything unique they do than PUBG? Yeah. They have this. There's mostly same feature. Enemy highlight. What is these two things? Enemy highlight and enemy silhouette reveal UI.
So basically, enemy highlight is just like that outline which I explained earlier in BGMI, right? Red outline or yellow outline.
Yeah.
Silhouette is like if the player is standing behind a wall, you can't see them. But if you use a ability you can see them through the walls like that.
Got it. And enemy highlight is default.
By default. Yeah. I sent one. I'll send more because more are required for this.
I'll not download this time, just open it Slack. But hopefully
Hopefully no one joins.
no one joins. Getting a Slack call and like, hey. Which game have more UI, PUBG or Valorant? On
Valorant.
Gameplay screen. But
Valorant
doesn't look so crowded. The PUBG looks more crowded.
It's like BGMI has many UI elements at one time itself. But Valorant, it's like they have many UI elements like spread out. Like there are so many situations where it will pop up.
Got it. in default they don't have much, but like when you start playing with the abilities and everything, you see more interactions, interactive UI.
Yeah, that's why I'm sending multiple images, because like some UI is not there in one image.
Okay.
It will be there in the other.
Or if you can remember, we can just note it down here right now.
Okay, I'll just tell it then.
Yeah, it will be too complex for us to check all the images. If you want to show, if you want to explain something, I'll just pull that image and present it here on the screen.
Okay, health and armor points is by default it will be there.
See,
C.
what is C?
C ability.
Okay, got it. This is with the keyboard, right? You don't have to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I understand. Like because that was mobile, you have to interact with everything on the screen. Because it is PC, there are so many things you can do by keyboard and mouse. Yeah.
C, E, Q, ultimate, all are default.
I'll just add keyboard because we are doing this just for our game, right? So.
Okay.
I'll just say nah. Not required. NR.
Yeah, actually our game doesn't like.
So why are you wasting time on this?
I just put every UI element just in case.
Yeah, it is good. Like we might have abilities on future, right? So you don't have to do it again. But yeah.
Ammo capacity is by default. Actually, it will not be there by default. It will only appear whenever you pick up a gun or buy a gun.
Yeah, this right? Tactical map.
Yeah, tactical map UI is by default.
Okay, what is this? Team score UI. It must be. Yeah, it is default.
That is also default. Kill field active on elimination or on death.
We'll have timer.
Yeah, timer is there in our game. So
What is this final
default.
stage? What is this final stage?
In TDM, in Valo, there are like multiple stages. So first stage you can only use pistols. Second stage is normal rifles, like that.
Not doing this complex thing right now. Credit currency.
That is default.
What they are doing with the currency in a deathmatch?
So basically, starting of the actually TDM doesn't have any use for currency, but they still showcase the UI. Even I don't know why.
Okay.
There's actually no use for it.
Ability direction. What is this? Ability
Active
direction.
when attacked.
This is ability direction or heat direction.
So basically in BGMI, whenever you get attacked, right?
Yeah.
There's that red thing which pops
I understand.
up.
So in here, does it come from the ability?
Yeah, that yellow marker means it's from the enemy's ability, not by shooting.
So by shooting, you get red.
Yeah, by shooting it's a red one. I think I mentioned it somewhere else.
And yeah, see damage indicator, but there is no direction here. Is this the direction?
Yeah, actually that's a direction. Yeah, that's from like the right side. Then that is when active when our ability hits the enemy.
My mic is covering my line for the keyboard. Heat indicator. See, dude, this is the heat
damage one.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Now what is this?
That is the when they shoot it. Oh, the soul orb one.
Yeah, what is this? This should look same. Damage indicator UI and heat indicator. Oh, this is for enemy, man. This is for enemy, I think.
Actually, both are same. Like both are used to like indicate the direction where we are getting shot from.
What is this soul orb ability indicator?
That is when you can use your ability. Like some abilities you cannot use always. So whenever you can use it, it will show that UI, showcasing that you can use it now.
Okay, not required. What is this? Kill confirmation UI. Oh yes.
That will be kill confirmation will be nice if it's in our game as well. Like for each kill, the sound effect will get like better and better.
Ability duration. Okay.
That is again same. After you use an ability, you have like a time.
Weapon selection UI. Is it default?
Yeah, default.
Weapon selection UI. How it is default? I don't see any default.
It's like basically even if you don't have any weapons, it will still show that you have a knife, only knife.
Okay, got it.
It is used to show like what weapons you have right now. That's it. Oh, that performance status UI, it's not on by default. You have to like enable it in settings.
Buy phase and prepare UI.
That is like by default it will pop up during buy phase. Whenever you are in buy, like even in our game it will be there, I guess.
Yes, we have.
Teammate status UI, it's like it will be on top of your teammate's head.
Okay, not required right now. We are doing free for all.
In Valorant, there are like multiple stages, right? In TDM, like that time I explained, right? First stage only pistols. Second stage you can buy these weapons. So like that.
I think we need to get this one.
That is like for the TDM stage 1 is just pistols, right? The stage base you can select any of the weapons after stage 1 is completed.
Okay, we're not going to take the weapon.
Notification is like it will pop up randomly at sometimes saying that okay, you can't do this if you try to do something. Like in that image it says no Sol orb
Yeah, yeah.
available. Like I tried to use Reynard's orb when I couldn't, so it showed that.
And what is this voice chat indicator? Who is this
If
person?
someone from our team is talking, it will show at the side saying that it's them talking, so that we know who's talking. Active on voice chat. Active when someone talks. Yeah.
If someone is talking, are you gonna show them like who is the person?
Yeah, with the name and if in our game we can just show the name who's
Okay.
talking.
So-
Respawn timer UI active on death.
Active or respawn or death? Yeah, death.
Yeah, death, because it after death it will show when we'll respawn, right?
Death. Okay, I think you didn't include this on PUBG.
Respawning timer.
Yeah, it was
I
not
don't
there.
think I saw the respawning timer there. I'll check once again everything and update it again. Anyway, I had to update that sprint joystick, right?
Yeah, active after match end.
That thing is active after death.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
Match end.
not even match end. It's just after death.
Kill feed history.
Yeah.
After kill feed history, this respawn post message will come, right?
That respawn thing will come in the center of the screen. This kill feed history will come on the left side of the screen. So both will pop up after dying.
Okay. And do something for match and screen.
Match and screen. Okay, that
Yeah.
also I'll update.
Result screen. Okay, there must be some flows like 2-3 screens, or just some games does with just one screen, some does with multiple screens.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have these. So let's select. Okay.
Yeah.
So we want the shoot button.
Yeah.
So I'm looking as green. Crouch button.
Yeah.
prone
Crouch button also.
We don't have bold.
Prone.
No prone. No crouch.
Crouch is also not. Right?
No, the level is not designed for crouch. We have jump button. Okay, reload button.
Yeah. The reload button is required, right?
Inventory button. No inventory. Peak. No peak right now. We'll do when we do the.
We can make these updates later once we finish the base one.
And why I'm doing green?
Yeah, inventory button is not there.
Why are you letting me do mistakes?
There's a delay on the video. I didn't even know we were doing it green.
Okay, mic button will do. Speaker mode button will do. Settings button will have.
Yeah.
Minimap will have. Core UI, yes. Goal and timer UI, yes. KD we don't kill, yes. Assist, no assist. Name tag,
Yeah.
yes. Helmet and armor, no. Hellbar, yes. Weapon slot. Do you need weapon slot?
Actually, we can hold only one weapon, right?
Yeah.
Currently.
Currently,
I don't think it's required then.
pistols also no. Fire mode indicator, no. Throwables, no throwables. Damage indicator.
No, damage indicator is required.
Yes. Hellbar. What is Hellbar UI? Damage UI? Both the same, right?
It's basically showcasing like red color indicating that you're getting damage.
Okay, got it. Enemy highlights, yes. Crosshair, yes. Kill feed, yes.
Yeah.
Chat, no. Spectre, no.
Emotes.
Close proximity warning UI. Scope, yeah. Ping, yes. No achievement. Health and armor. Something you will have.
Yeah. No abilities.
Ammo capacity UI, yes.
Tactical map UI, yes.
Kill feed. Tactical map, yes. Team score. We don't have team score. This is like solo.
Individual scores. Yeah.
Test timer.
Yeah.
Not declared. Enemy highlights.
But not individual. Yeah. Ability, no. No enemy highlight. Yes.
Kill confirmation, yes. Ability, duration indicator.
No.
Weapon select UI not required. Buy face, yes. We're not buying, but gun selection.
So we can name it as gun selection phase, something like that.
Yeah, I think this will be better to use for us. This is smaller one, right?
Yeah.
We can use this. This is same. Not required. Notification UI, yes. Voice, I don't know. We don't need this one. Respawn timer, yes. This one also we need. Course also we need. Okay, rest, match, and result. You can edit here.
Okay.
Okay, can you send me the Figma file for all this research you have completed?
Yeah, I sent you. Yeah.
Okay, it's opening.
The second page, I guess, in that.
Okay, this is what you did, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Shoot button, crouch button. Okay, I think we need to make a separate video for this. So much information.
Yeah. This is BGM, that is Valorant. Yeah.
Cool. Mokshit, let's end the live stream.
So this basically whatever we showed, that is the work I've done so far. I didn't get to explain everything in this just in this stream. So tomorrow we'll continue with explaining whatever was left.
Yeah.
And using these streams, you can even understand how game designing like works.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.